Hey Justin, look at this I found. Maybe you've already done it with Equatio, but here I have my Google Slides, and if I go into a search, and let's say I'm doing something on factoring, and I want this example, if I go over to my Equatio in my bar, and press enter, and maybe open this slide up, now if I choose the screenshot, and highlight, I have to select it first, and then highlight this, it will recognize it, hopefully, and then I can copy the LaTeX code, and if I go back into here, and let me make this bigger down here. Where's the LaTeX at the bottom? And now do my paste here. I can put that right into the document. Although now I'm forgetting how to put it out. I could just insert it into the document, right? But where did it go? Well, I failed at inserting it, but I think if I close this, oh, there it is. Now I can bring it into my text box. I thought that was really cool that you could just pull anything off the web and it will change it into typed for you. That's just my example.